the class?
I have a little doubt. Ma'am, I have a doubt.
My dear, ask your class teacher. She will clear. Okay.
Not that one of school. I have another.
Okay. Tell me.
Ma'am, I have tell you that.
No problem, Samriddhi. In 1 or 2 days, you can send me after that. Okay.
Renu ma'am,
Yes. Then.
ma'am, can you tell what you were doing because here I had some network issues, that's why I could not join.
Now I'm going to start the class. Not yet started. Okay.
Okay.
So good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
So students, as you know, yeah, sports will also be there. Ready? Your timetable will come. Okay. Now today is 29/11/21. Open your notebooks, everyone. Open your textbooks also, page number 149. I am going to present my screen and will show you. Please open page number 149 of your textbook. Till 148 we have done A, B, C, all the practice sums. In that, is there any doubt to any child? My dear students, any doubt on page number 148, please answer me.
No ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Go to page number 120, 149. Yes, Vedi, new timetable will come by tomorrow. And then you have to bring your books according to the timetable.
Ma'am, we have to only bring the books that are in the timetable, right?
Yes, yes.
other
Not
books.
all.
Ma'am,
According
so
to the
if
timetable.
there is a proxy, how will we use the books?
What happened?
If there is a proxy,
My dear, it will be according to the all. No proxy, we will inform you prior.
okay, ma'am. Ma'am, which page number?
Page number 149. Yes, Dhyandala.
I was going to ask the same question of Lakshya. Same question.
Page number 149. A square carom board has a perimeter of 320 centimeter. How much is its area? Please find when the perimeter is given to you, how you are going to find the area of that figure. So, perimeter, solve this in the notebook, students. Write the page number 149. My board is visible to you all along with the screen.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
6400 square
Ah.
centimeter.
Yes, perimeter equals to 320 centimeter. And you have to find out the area. So first of all, you have to find out the side. So perimeter is equals to, what is the formula of perimeter of a square?
Ma'am, side multiply by 4. Side multiply by 4.
4 multiplied by side. Yes. And the perimeter is 320 centimeter. 4 multiplied by side. So side equals to 320 divided by 4.
80,
If
ma'am.
perimeter is given and you have to find out the side of a square, so 320 divided by 4 is 80 centimeter. And 80 centimeter is the perimeter. Oh, sorry, side. Now you have to find out the area when the side is given. Area of a square is side multiplied by side. 80 multiplied by 80. So it will be, when you multiply 8 8s are 64. 1 0 of this 80, 1 0 of this 80, to 2 zeros will come. And this is the area, so square centimeter. Any doubt to any child? Please solve this in your notebooks. Any doubt? Students, when I present the screen, I will not able to see you all.
Ma'am, no, ma'am.
Please copy it down from the board. I will stop my presentation. You can copy it down. Please solve this. When perimeter is given, first you have to find out the side. And how to find the side? Divide the perimeter by the 4. Then you will get the side. And if now you have the side measurement, side multiplied by side is the area of the square.
Ma'am, was written the area side multiplied by side, and then
First, I have written perimeter formula because perimeter is given to you. From the perimeter, you have to take out the area. From the perimeter, first you want to know the side, and if you are clear with the side, then you have to put the side into the area formula.
yeah, ma'am, I know.
Do it fast, everyone.
Ma'am, done.
Now, question number E. What is written in the E question number? No, I'm not erasing. But Samriddhi, I'm not erasing, but explanation is done. If I erase in case also, then you will not able to do it by yourself. Samriddhi, yes or no?
Yes, I can.
Then why you depend on the board only?
And can I tell the question number E?
How many tiles like the triangle given here will fit in the white design? So what do you think? What will be the answer for the E? There is a white design. तो उस white design को fill करने के लिए how many tiles are used? Samriddhi, mute yourself, please.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, 3.
Just check how many.
ma'am, 6.
Oh,
The
ma'am.
white design, which is given here.
Yes, ma'am, 6 tiles.
6. How? Can you explain?
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Please
Ma'am,
explain.
there are four triangle outside of the diamond
See,
attached.
they are talking about the tiles. Tiles, you know, the tiles will be in this form, the square given. And from the square, when we cut here, it will give you 2 tiles of triangle.
And ma'am, 4 are given.
Karna, put this aside. In the middle of the figure, there is one complete tile, and there are 4 half tiles are used. So how many total tiles are there?
Ma'am, 3.
Yes, the answer is 3 tiles.
3 full tiles.
3 full tiles, yes, 3 full tiles. So answer is 3 tiles. You can say 3 tiles.
Ma'am, because I calculated.
Yes.
Ma'am,
I didn't understand.
Ma'am, I directly saw I draw 3 figures.
I am going to present you my screen and show you how it is.
This type of worksheet you will send in the classroom also.
See,
Please send this.
see, Ayush, this is the one triangle, one tile in the middle, which is complete tile. Yes or no? Ayush.
Yes, ma'am, I got it.
And this is half, this is half. 2 halves make 1 tile.
One
This
tile.
is 2 halves make 1 tile. So total there are 3 tiles.
Okay, ma'am.
And area of the design, area of the design equals to dash square centimeter. Tell me how many square centimeter? and make your own designs of area 4 and 6 square centimeter. आप अपनी खुद की designs भी इसमें बना सकते हैं by using the 4 and the 6 square centimeter. Come on, the next table is given down. It's given or not?
Yes. Yes,
Question
ma'am.
number F. Sanya, Arushi, Manav, Kabir made getting greeting cards. They are making greeting cards, and the greeting cards आपको पता है ना किस shape में होते हैं greeting cards?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell me greeting card will be?
Rectangle.
Sure.
Rectangle.
आपने greeting card नहीं बनाया? लक्ष्य?
Ma'am,
मम्मी और पापा के हर बच्चे में बनाता
Please speak in English. I speak because to explain you something.
हूँ. Okay, ma'am. And I usually make cards for every special occasion. Like
Yes.
card.
When you make the card, when you make the greeting card or the card, so you know what is the shape of that card. Usually, common shape,
or rectangle.
circle,
Square.
square or rectangle, right? So they are making the friends. They are making the greeting cards. So here, Sanya, length is 10 and the width is 8. Which figure is this? Card of Sanya's?
Ma'am, rectangle.
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 So find the area and the perimeter of that first card of the Sanya and tell me what will be the answer. You have all learned now area and perimeter, how to find.
It would be 36. Ma'am,
Perimeter
36.
36 and
Perimeter.
Ma'am, area will be 80.
80 square centimeter. Area will be 80 square
What will be the perimeter of the first figure?
36
36
centimeter.
36 centimeter. And what will be the area?
80 square
80 square centimeter. Come on, the next figure.
square centimeter.
Manav. Manav has given the length and the perimeter, not the width and not the area. So this is, yes.
Ma'am, I got the answer.
Ma'am, I also got
Tell me
that.
for the second one.
And the area is
Ma'am,
121.
What will be the width?
ma'am, 11.
11. How you know what will be, why it is 11? Because 11 plus 11 plus 11 when you do 4 times.
Yes,
Right?
ma'am.
44.
It is
Ma'am, the area will be
44.
121 square centimeter.
11 centimeter is the, sorry, here I will write width heading. Width is 11 centimeter. Everyone is getting, or there is still students facing the difficulty in this? And what will be the area, students?
121.
121 square centimeter.
So let's complete in this way the
Ma'am,
table.
area will be 121.
120. Only 4 to 5 students are active in this class. Others are just waiting. Teacher will write on the board and we will copy.
Ma'am,
Next one, third one. Rudra
Ma'am,
Jajaria, give me the answer. Length is what?
ma'am, the length is 10 centimeter
10.
and the perimeter is 36 centimeter.
Length is 10 because the area is 10 into 8 is 80. Now this is the length.
Yes.
And if length and breadth is given 10 and 80, what will be
Ma'am,
the
18.
perimeter?
18.
36 centimeter.
Not 18, 36.
Or 36. Sorry.
Now perimeter is given, area is given, find the length and the breadth.
Can you spell the answer?
Yeah, I will fill.
Ma'am, in Kabir's one, he has taken 10 centimeter length, 10
Length, okay.
centimeter width, and 10 centimeter width.
Yes, and the width also will be 10 centimeters.
And the width also will be
10
10
centimeter.
So area is 100 square centimeter.
Yes.
Ma'am, I can't understand the Kabir one.
See, Kabir one length and breadth is not given. But you know the area formula is length into multiplied by breadth, which is 100. कौन से numbers को 2 को multiply करोगे, you will get the 100. And then 40 a perimeter means 4 times 40 divided by 4 sides. There are total 4 sides. It will give you one side total.
Renu ma'am, in my book it was written the answer.
What happened?
In my book it was already written the answer. I didn't need to write only. It was written.
How it is written, beta?
Ma'am, I don't use pen in book, and it is already
It's okay.
pen written.
So you understood, Samriddhi, now?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt to any child in this?
No, ma'am.
Now take out your notebooks. I'm going to present you the worksheets. I have sent 3 worksheets, right, already?
Yes, ma'am.
This is visible to you all. Wait a minute, I will present the
Ma'am,
worksheet
3 or
number.
4 worksheets.
I have already submitted, given to you 3 worksheets. This is the 4 worksheet I'm going to present. Khusha, lower down your hand, please. This I'm going to, I just only discuss the answers with you all. And you have
Can
to
you
fill when I will
scroll
send
down
it.
how many answers are there?
My dear, what is the problem, Lakshya? Once I am on the first question, why you want to see the end answer? How many
Okay.
questions are there?
Okay.
The region enclosed between the boundaries of a figure is called?
Ma'am, can I say?
Area.
Yes,
Ma'am, we have to write this in notebook.
Not now. When I will send the worksheet, then you have to complete it. Right now, I am discussing the answers with you all. Next is area of a rectangle. Okay. Next is
Multiplied by B.
area of a rectangle.
Length multiplied by that.
Area of a square.
S multiplied by 4.
Multiplied by
S multiplied by 4.
Side into side.
Side multiplied by side. Samriddhi. Can I speak? Everyone mute your mic, please. See, children, when the school is going to start and some of you will attend the classes online, please take a note that here the network is good, everyone is conversing. Some maybe you will face some difficulty, so please cooperate, students. Let me take the attendance for a minute. So Samriddhi, please, it's an area of a square, side multiply by side, not 4 multiply by side will be the perimeter.
Okay, ma'am.
The sum total of lengths of all the line segment of a simple closed figure is called its
area.
sum total of
Ma'am,
all the line segments. Perimeter. Daksha, believe in talking only, not paying attention in the class. Next figure. Mute yourself, everyone. Measure the perimeter of the given figure by counting the lines along the boundary. Each square is 1 centimeter in the length. First of all, I want to ask this question is understood by how many of you? Please raise your hand. किस किस को ये क्वेश्चन समझ में आया? Measure the perimeter of these figures by counting the lines along the boundary. Each square is 1 centimeter in the length. Is there any child who have not understood the meaning of the question? Samriddhi, you understood the meaning of the question?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you please explain me what they are asking? I don't want answer. I just want to ask
I
from the
didn't
students.
understood. Now I didn't.
Daria didn't understood. Any other child? Samriddhi, you understood?
Yes, ma'am. Not nicely, but I
We have done many times before. Daria, now pay attention. Lengthwise and the breadthwise, you need to count the number of the squares and give me the perimeter.
Okay, ma'am, understood.
Simple. So tell me, Daria, what is the perimeter of the second figure, not the first?
5 centimeters.
You are counting the internal squares, then it is the area, not the perimeter. You have to count the outside boundaries.
11 centimeter.
7 centimeter. I think.
No,
12 centimeter.
Khush Ahuja is right. It's 12 centimeter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then upper 6, then again coming this side 7, this line. We are counting the small lines of the square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 6, then 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Got it, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now Samriddhi will do the
Ma'am.
second figure.
Ma'am, I know the first one is 20 20.
First figure is easy. I want the second figure.
Ma'am,
Tell
I
me,
will
Samriddhi, second figure, please.
11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 centimeter.
Let me solve. No. Do it again. पूरी बाउंड्री तक से ही आपको लेके आना है फिगर को.
Ma'am, can I say?
2.
Ma'am, 22 centimeter.
Yes. After practice in grade 4, I want to talk with the students. Let me stop the presentation. After talking to you in the grade 4, after the explanation, Kevna, you understood the concept? Kevna, Samriddhi, why there is a problem? आपको outside boundary के squares भी count करना नहीं आ रहे? हैं Samriddhi, tell me. Speak, beta. When I speak, you have to give the answer. Suppose if I make a figure like this. और इसके अंदर मैंने स्क्वायर्स बना दिए.
pen is too light. The marker
Yes,
pen.
ma'am. It can't be seen.
Okay, wait a minute.
Ma'am, it's within you. We can see little.
See, if there is any figure, you just have to count the outside boundaries of that figure. वो कहीं भी मुड़ रहा है, आपको उसके outside boundaries को count करना है कितनी boundaries हैं. Now you tell me, if this line is 1 centimeter, so what will be the perimeter of this figure?
Yeah, ma'am. Wait a minute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14 centimeters.
So what was the problem in the last figure when we were counting?
Ma'am,
Students, again I will repeat, please don't leave the class. Don't unmute yourself, Samriddhi. Got it now, Samriddhi?
Yes,
How
ma'am.
Mohit, you got it? Mohit, Priya, Rudra Master, Lakshya, Vedi, Khush.
Yes.
Any problem to any child till here?
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am.
You have to count the outside boundary when you are finding
Ma'am, I
the
understand.
perimeter, and you are finding the area. You have to count the internal squares.
Can I tell
Am I clear? Third one is done. Now I am going to present the next worksheet. Karna, please pay attention in the class.
Ma'am, can you present the third one because I want to find.
Okay, this is the third one. Just check. See, I will step by step move. Please pay attention here. 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, 5, then 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. I have started from this corner and again I have came back here only after counting all the boundaries of the square.
So it is 22 centimeter, right?
Yes, 22 centimeter. And this is very easy because it is a proper shape. But this type of shapes will be difficult for you to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Don't think that many ye square to count kar liya. Why should I count? We are not counting squares. This mistake normally the students make. What they do? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then they are confused that we have counted 5. We have to count from here. No, we are not counting the internal squares. We are counting from outside. So one line, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 centimeter is the length. Got it, everyone? Then come on the breadth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 centimeter is the breadth. And it is showing that it's a square figure. So 5 plus 5 plus 5 is 20 centimeter will be the breadth.
Ma'am, it is a perimeter of the rectangle.
ये
5
rectangle कैसे
plus
हुआ बच्चा?
5
All the sides are same. Is this a rectangle?
Yeah.
लक्ष्य थोड़े से कॉन्फिडेंट के होके बोलो. हाँ.
Square.
Yes.
Sorry, ma'am.
Now come on the next figure worksheet. I am discussing these two worksheets with you all. Will send you in as a homework. Worksheet number 4 and 6, not the 5. 5 we will discuss later in the class. Next, the area of a square is 12 centimeter. Sorry, the area of a square of a side is 12 centimeter. Will be, what will be the area? इसका साइड 12 सेंटीमीटर है, so what will be the area?
Will be side 144.
Dandalal, what will be the area? Yes, she is also giving.
I was telling the method, it will be side into side like 12 into 12.
Yes,
144.
got it, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Square centimeter.
Square centimeter. Next, the
24
rectangular plot is 20 centimeter by 15 centimeter. Its area will be, what will be the area?
Ma'am, 75 square centimeter.
Ma'am, I will find the area so the method.
What you are saying, the Trisha?
300 square centimeters.
20 multiplied by 15, right?
Yes, ma'am. 300.
20 multiplied by 15 will be Next, the perimeter of a square whose side is 6.4. So what will be the perimeter of that square?
Ma'am, 6.4 multiplied by 4.
Ma'am,
Multiply by
12.8 centimeter. 12.8.
So can we do the 6.4 को आप कैसे multiply करोगे? 4 से और कहाँ decimal लगाओगे? Can we do it here?
Ma'am, can I say Samriddhi?
Wait, let me solve it here on the board. 64. We assume this is a 64 and multiplied with the 4. 4 for the 16, 6 for the 24, 25. And put the decimal. What was your answer, Samriddhi?
Ma'am, my answer was also the same.
What?
25.6.
Yes.
25.6.
Because there is one pointer, so we'll write the one.
Ma'am,
Yes, please.
ma'am, because of some network issue, I left the class, but I have rejoined.
So we are discussing next another worksheet.
Okay, ma'am.
The perimeter of a square whose sides are this will be, what will be the perimeter of the side is this, the square side is this. Tell me what will be the perimeter, students?
42.
Yes.
42 centimeters.
Yes, ma'am. 42.
42. Let me multiply and find. Yes, it's 42 centimeter.
42.0.
So 0 की तो वैल्यू नहीं होती ना बेटा डेसिमल के बाद. So it will be 42 centimeter. Got it, everyone? Both the worksheets are clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt to any child?
No, ma'am.
Can we do 2 or 3 sums in the notebook for the practice? Mute yourself. Mute yourself, students. Okay, I want to discuss one story problem with you all. To protect a square painting of side 50 centimeter, there is a square painting, okay, and the side is 50 centimeter. To protect it, इसको बचाना है. Jennifer wants to paste a plastic sheet on it. What area of plastic sheet she require? कितनी बड़ी plastic sheet उसको चाहिए? Area. What? How much plastic sheets she need? And this is in square. 50 centimeter.
500 square. Ma'am, 500. No, question come. Ma'am, that's
Tell me the answer.
perimeter of the area.
Because she needs to cover it fully. So what will she need? The एक बुक है आपके पास, एक बुक है. दिस इज द बुक. आपको इसको पूरा कवर करना है बुक को.
Ma'am, can I say?
समृद्धि wait और अनुष्का wait. You want to? This is the book.
Ma'am,
Suppose.
50 into 50.
Yeah, let me explain to there. Everyone mute yourself, please, for a minute. This is the book. You want to cover this book. I'm not saying you want to just put a border of the book. You want to fully cover this book from the top.
Area.
So you need the area, ना?
Ma'am,
कितने एरिया का कवर लोगे आप? कितना बड़ा आपको इसके लिए ऊपर के लिए कवर लेना होगा? So for this you need to find the area of that figure, which is 4 what will be the side multiplied by side?
Ma'am, 2,500 square centimeter. 50 into 50.
50 into 50.
500.
Okay, let me check the answer for a minute. Give me 1 minute. So your answer is
2,500 square centimeter.
yes. 2,500 square centimeter, because as you know that it will be side multiplied by side, the area of this square 50 into 50 when you do, and you are finding the area, so it will be 2,500 square centimeter. Clear, everyone? And now, my dear, now I want to discuss some few units. If you want to measure the book, the meter centimeter scale will work, or meter scale will work, or centimeter scale will work?
Centimeter.
Centimeter. And if you want to measure your school playground?
Meter.
Kilometer.
Yes, ma'am, kilometer.
And if you want to measure the dupatta of your mama?
Meter.
Sari of your mama?
Meter.
Okay. Thank you, students, for today's class.
Bye.
Yes. Bye. Bye.